Down in the deep blue sea, there's a school for you and me.
With fins that flap and bubbles that puff, learning sea stuff is never too tough. Let's swim, splash, and giggle with glee at Ocean School under the sea.
Hey!
Hello, ocean geniuses! Today's guest has big teeth, a big tail, and a huge sense of humor. Why did the shark bring a toothbrush to school? Because it wanted to make a clean bite. Ha 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 ha!
I'm a shark, but don't you fear, I'd rather dance than disappear. Swing side to side and twist your tail, shimmy and shake with the bubbly trail. Not all sharks are wild and mean, some are shy and super clean. So shimmy down and wiggle back, it's the shark-tastic shark attack.
Time for fact or fishy. I'll say something, and you decide, is it true or just a splashy tale? Sharks have no bones. Fact. Sharks can ride skateboards. Fishy. Sharks have super hearing. Fact. Now, it's the time for sea facts. Sharks are important for a healthy ocean. They keep fish populations balanced. And there are over 500 kinds of sharks. Well, that's it for today. Stay curious, sea scholars. Until next tide.
We splashed with sharks, we danced and learned, and saw how kindness can be earned. The ocean's full of fins and fun. Till next time, class, our swim is done.